Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Heart of 4 Iron 4 not opening. So let's get started. So first of all we'll just open here our browser. So in our browser I will actually search for the Hearts of 4 not opening, so it will actually show the solutions also. So to see that we have to first open here our browser. So in our browser I will actually search in our Google at here. So here we can see here you have to just open your app stream. So in a stream we have to go to a library and right click on here properties, and you have to verify the integrity of the game files. So it will verify and it will check your files are currently working or not. So it will check, and if not working so it will fix it. So this is how we can fix the Heart of Iron 4 not opening problem. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.